Hello, and today I am going to tell you how to install code blocks. First of all, open your favorite browser and type code blocks. The first link you will see is www.codeblocks.org. Just click on the link and now you have to click on the download button. Here you will find three options, but you have to only click on binary release. Again you will get three options. Whichever is your operating system, you have to click on this. Mine is Windows 10. I will click on that. Then you have to click on MinGW setup, and which we have to download. Click sourceform.net. So your code block will be downloaded within a minute. And after the code block is downloaded, now you have to click on the downloaded file, and then installation will start. It will not take much time and will be installed very fast. So after the installation is completed, run the code block